This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the pickaxe you want silk touch on, diamond or netherite, because tool material matters for durability and mining speed. Once done, set up an enchantment table with bookshelves to reach level 30. That increases your chances of getting higher tier enchantments. Gather 30 XP and lapis so you can apply a level 30 enchant if it appears. Make sure you also have a spare pickaxe and an anvil ready. You'll need options if the table doesn't give silk touch directly. You have 3 reliable paths. First, use the level 30 enchantment table. Sometimes silk touch appears directly, but the table's results are semi-random. If the table fails, trade with librarian villagers. They often sell silk touch books for emeralds at advanced trades, and you can reset trades by breaking and replacing the lectern. Alternatively, find a silk touch enchanted book in loot or from fishing, then combine the book and your pickaxe on an anvil. Each method works differently. Choose based on resources and time. You finish by placing the silk touch book and pickaxe on an anvil and applying the enchant. Monitor the XP and repair cost levels so you don't exceed limits. Once applied, consider renaming the tool to lower future anvil penalty growth and to keep track of it. If you accidentally get fortune or another unwanted enchant, use a grindstone to clear the tool, losing all enchantments and retry. Or acquire a silk touch book from a librarian. This troubleshooting step saves time versus endlessly enchanting at the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.